Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you this Amana HVAC unit that I have in my hotel room. Now you notice right away this unit is in very close proximity to this bed, so definitely leaves for limited space here, and it comes out of the wall quite a bit, so not the best placement in my opinion, but you know, it's whatever. And as you can see, this unit is very similar to many other units that I've recorded, with a few differences. One being it extends out of the wall a lot more, and another being this so-called wall thermostat control. Now there's a story behind this. Here's this thermostat right here, okay? This thermostat is awful. I've been having tons of problems with this thing. So what I did is I actually went ahead and went into the PTAC configuration in the control panel and just straight up bypassed the thermostat control. So now this is being controlled locally. So, yeah, it's much better that way. If you want to know how to do it, I'll go ahead and leave a video link in the description. Go ahead and check that out if you please. Definitely worth trying. So, yeah, go ahead and take a look at the filters here. You can see it looks like they've been recently cleaned. So that's nice. This one's got a little blemish, right? Or actually, no, that's just part of the frame. I take that back. Down here is the intake, as you can see. It's really hard to record down here because of the proximity of this bed. And it has this really big metal plate that leads to an outside part that you can't see from here. And here's the view from the 4th floor of the SpringHill Suites here in Andover, Mass. You can see it's nighttime. So yeah, I guess we'll go ahead and go over the controls. Here they are. So you have off, cool, and heat, and this displays the temperature that you set. And then you have your up and down temperature control, constant fan, and the fan setting. So, yeah, pretty simple to use. That is, if you're not using the thermostat. So, yeah, I guess we'll go ahead and take a look at the underside. By the way, you will notice this thing is rusting quite a bit. So this is definitely an older unit. So yeah, I don't know if you'll be able to see because it's really dark, but you can see there is a wire way over there. I'm assuming that's for the power. I suppose it could be a compressor coil as well. But, again, it's kind of hard to see. And I'll go ahead and show you the inside of the vent in detail here if I take out my phone and turn on the flashlight. There we go. There's the fan right there. You can see it is a horizontal fan, and it has a grill in front of it. And then it has the solid piece down here. And there's a bolt over there, as you can see. So, yeah. And that's really all there is to show as far as the overview. So I'll go ahead and demonstrate this unit now. Go ahead and set it to cool. Set on low. Go ahead and turn on constant fan. You can see it's set on 72 degrees. Yes, I'm using cool because it's actually pretty warm today. Now one thing that really struck me about this unit is that it is quite loud. See, if I go to the entrance of the room, you can still hear it clearly. So, that might not be a great thing for light sleepers. But it does blow a really good amount of air. Probably one of the best air movers out of any PTAC I've recorded. So, that's nice. And the reason why the compressor's not on now is because it hasn't gotten to the room temperature yet. Well, the room temperature hasn't gotten to the set temperature yet. That's what I'm trying to say. Sorry, I'm tired. But, yeah. Yeah, the only real downside about this unit is just how far it extends out and how close it is to the bed. That's really it. Other than that, this unit works perfectly. The compressor does work, by the way. I have tested that before this video. So, yeah. Now if we go ahead and look at the controls, I'll go ahead and scoot over here. You can see the cool light is lit. And you can see it says low fan, constant fan, which basically means, it's basically the opposite of energy saver. When constant fan is on, that means that the fan will blow no matter what the temperature is, which is currently set at 72 degrees. I can go ahead and change that, 73, 71, etc. So yeah. This thing needs to be oiled. And there goes the compressor. So it gets even louder when the compressor comes on, and the air gets really cold. So that's nice. This unit is quite a beast. It works really well. But of course there's that trade-off that's loud. So yeah, I guess we'll go ahead and turn it up to high now. Speeds up a little bit, and it blows a bit more air. And it feels nice because it's actually pretty hot in here. So what happens when you get a high floor? Now if we go to the entrance of the room, you can really hear it, especially because the compressor's running. It vibrates the entire floor. So yeah, noise with this thing, definitely an issue for light sleepers. But overall, I do like this unit. I think it works great. Again, one of the best air movers I've ever come across. So yeah, and this does have that thing where on the outer part of the unit, they put a separate grill on the outside of the grill built into this, so it fills the entire length of the window, so it just looks neater. So I guess that's cool. It just makes it look better from the outside. So yeah, and for all you bus enthusiasts, there's a coach right there. Very random, but I thought I'd throw that in. And you notice the compressor turned off now. So we'll go ahead and turn the unit off now. It takes a little bit. Give it a second. And there it goes. And that will conclude this video. Thank you for watching.